Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Fedora Linux 41 Workstation Edition on VMware Workstation. First download by going to Fedora official website, that is fedoraproject.org. See here the latest release is Fedora 41. Click on Get Fedora. Then see here we have the Workstation, Server and other versions. So click on Workstation, but the process is same for Workstation or Server. So click on Workstation. Then click on Download. Then see here we have the Fedora Workstation 41 Live ISO. Click on this download button. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is 2.3 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Click on Create a new virtual machine or File and select New virtual machine. Either is fine. Then click on Next. Then select this installer disk image file and click on Browse to select the downloaded Fedora 41 ISO file. Fedora Workstation Live 41 ISO file. Select it. Then click on Next. Here we have to provide the name for the Fedora Workstation. Fedora 41 Workstation. W means VM. Name can be anything. Then we have to select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on Browse. Then select the path where you have the enough space to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on Next. Select Give. Here I am giving virtual hard disk size as 100 gigabytes. Then click on Next. See, memory selected as 2 gigabytes and number of CPU cores 1. So click on Customize Hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes. It is up to you based on availability. Then click on here number of processes to click on Close. Don't select this checkbox, that is power on this virtual machine after creation. Click on Finish by unchecking this power on this virtual machine. Then click on Finish. Still, if you want edit settings of this virtual machine, click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings or right click on Settings or select it and Machine and Settings. All three options are same. I am okay with this all the settings. Then click on Power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Start Fedora Workstation Live 41. Hit enter. See here, if you want to use this as temporary or testing purpose, you can close and use. But if you want to install permanently, you have to click on this Install Fedora. Click on it. Click on it. Now select the language and click on Continue. See here, the begin installation has been graded because the options that are marked with red color must be filled. So click on it. I'm okay with the default location or destination. Click on Done. See, now we are able to click on Begin installation. If you want to change date and time, you have to click on here. You can change. I don't want to change anything. So if you are okay with these settings, then click on Begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will restart the system. Then we will perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation has been completed. Click on Finish Installation. Now we have to restart. Before restarting, right click on here, Settings, go to CD DVD and select these two. Then click on OK. Click on Yes. Then restart. Go to here, Power, then Restart. See, now it is rebooting. See here, welcome to the Fedora Linux 41 Workstation Edition. Click on Start Setup. Next. I don't want to enable third-party repositories, so click on Next. Now we have to create or set up user. This is the user full name, this is the username. Then click on Next. Then here we have to provide the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then click on Next. All done. Click on Start using Fedora Linux. Let me maximize it. skip. Now open terminal. See here. Let me increase the font. Now verify the version that we have installed. More /etc os-release. See, we have installed Fedora Linux 41. It is workstation edition. Q to quit, Control A. If you want to verify the IP of this machine, just give if config. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay. The first step after connecting Fedora Linux 41 is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update && also upgrade the packages. Sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, this may take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Fedora Linux 41 Workstation Edition on VMware Workstation. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.